The SmartTrack from GarageSmart is a versatile mounting system that allows you to transform your garage into the perfect launchpad for adventure. Be sure to use the following guidelines when installing the SmartTrack system. These will ensure that the GarageSmart products you install and the people who use them are safe, and that you get the best performance out of them. First, only install SmartTrack by attaching it to joists. Drywall is not strong enough to support the load SmartTrack is designed to accommodate. Second, SmartTrack must be installed perpendicular to joists and not parallel to them. Third, install SmartTrack by attaching it to as many joists as possible. A single piece of SmartTrack requires 2 lag bolts, one at each end. When installing 2 connected pieces of SmartTrack, secure it to 3 joists, one at each end and one in the middle. Fourth, when mounting MyLifters to SmartTrack, mount them between the joists and lag bolts, not outside of them. Fifth, only mount a maximum of 2 MyLifters between joists on a single SmartTrack. 6. No more than 4 lag bolts supporting SmartTracks should be mounted to one joist. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.